Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here to show you some really cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create a solar eclipse effect within Adobe Photoshop. Really easy, simple process for you to follow to create such a cool effect. Imagine some typography in the middle, really on a nice cool sort of like magazine cover, let's say, but you can use it across many forms like I say. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just select our two top layers here and press backspace to remove. And as you can see here, I already have a layer already set up with the color black because I want it to be on a black background. So with my shapes here, I'm going to come through and use the ellipse tool and using the shortcut option on a Mac or Alt on Windows, I'm resizing from the center point whilst pressing shift at the same time to keep it nice and proportionate. Now I'm just going to remove the stroke for our properties window and let's use the color white. Fantastic. And I just want to get the positioning sorted out. So I'm going to use my alignment tool situated at the top there. Okay, so with that layer highlighted, what I'm going to do is come to our paths window here. If you can't find your paths, they're always situated in window. Where are you there? Paths. So what I need to do is duplicate this. So I'm just going to double click it, keep that name and press OK. And there it is. And with that path still selected, what I'm going to do now is come to our layers and add a new layer. But that layer will be underneath our shape layer here. To be honest, I'm going to name it. Let's call it Flames. And our top layer here, what we can do is call this Moon. Okay, so on that layer still highlighted, what I'm now going to do is come to Filter, Render, and Flame. Depending on how big or small this file is, it may take a while for it to do this. Keep all the measurements here around the length at 239, the width at 141, and sort of a nice orangey color. You have options here to change it as well for the quality. If we do fine, it might be very slow, but let's press OK. Wonderful. Okay, so I just need to delete that path now. So I'm going to come to our paths and just delete this. Excel. And come to our layers. Right, so with this flame layer, what I'm going to do is transform this. I need to use the shortcut Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows. And yet again, I'm going to press the shortcut Option on Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point there. It's going to bring the flames in about there, let's say. Okay. To that layer also, what I'm now going to do is come to Filter, Blur, and let's give it a radial blur. Keep it around 10 would be okay. Like so. And then what we can do now is come and change our moon layer here to black. So let's make sure we're on our shape layer there. Let's come through and use the color black. And also what you can do probably to that layer there as well is apply a outer glow. So double click on the layer to bring up the layer style. And here's our outer glow here using a nice sort of like real sort of orangey kind of color. Press OK. And let's press OK. And there you have it, guys. That is how you create the solar eclipse effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.